When police officers don't do their jobs, bad things happen. With discretion, they get to pick and choose who they want to take to jail and who they want to let go. When we walked up on this encounter, the officer was talking to this girl, and the girl was getting really close to him. It makes me wonder, how long has this officer known this girl? And has he known her since she was small? And why are they so close? Why is the officer having discretion to let this little drunk girl go about her merry way, and because they didn't do their job, she assaulted me? Watch this video. Let me know what you guys think. This is Gilbert Police Department. Here's your video, folks.
I'm a stupid little girl.
Yeah, you are.
Are you ready?
Dude, what are you recording?
We're just here to make sure. We're here to make sure.
Violate your rights.
We're here to make sure you're safe.
He just might.
You can record it. He will not violate my rights. No, you.
Okay, I won't get you on. I won't get you on film.
On camera.
I'm not here.
Recording you, don't
I'm not here to get you on film, miss.
You're not even in the angle.
All right, we're gonna go because I don't like entertaining them.
No. You can sit here.
You'll be all right though.
No, you'll.
So, did you? So
You don't need help getting it right, you're good? Huh?
Does it look like it?
How you doing, Chris?
Howdy. What you guys up to over here?
Just trying to get an Uber.
Yeah, don't drive.
Guys, this is fucking amazing. Oh my god, I'm fucking by myself and I have like fucking 8 people surrounding me.
It's called safety.
Well, yeah.
I ain't fucking worried, I'll tell you that much.
She feels a lot more uncomfortable.
I feel really fucking uncomfortable. Fucking leave! Please fucking leave.
They won't leave. Just ignore
Oh,
them.
no, he has a whole ass camera. He will not violate my rights. No, you.
Okay, I won't get you. I won't get you on film.
We're not recording you. Don't worry
I'm not
about
here to
it.
get you on film.
You're not even in the angle.
All right, we're gonna go because I don't like it.
No, it's, you can sit here.
You'll be all right though.
No, go.
So, did you?
You don't need help getting it right, you're good? Huh?
How you doing, Chris?
Howdy. What you guys up to over here?
Just trying to get an Uber.
Yeah, don't drive.
Guys, this is fucking amazing. Oh my god, I'm fucking by myself and I have like fucking 8 people surrounding me.
It's called safety.
I ain't fucking worried, I'll tell you that much.
She feels a lot more uncomfortable from
I feel really fucking uncomfortable. Fucking leave! Please fucking leave.
They won't. Just ignore
Oh, no, he has a whole ass camera.
Just ignore them.
Good shit. Oh, because Gilbert PD is like dangerous,
Thank
right?
you for being respectful, Chris. It's just a lady trying to get an Uber. You guys are making a huge
I
production.
literally,
Why aren't you trying to de-escalate?
I feel uncomfortable because I walked up to you and asked,
Why aren't you trying to de-escalate?
I asked you where to go. You know Junior. I asked you where to go. So you guys keep ordering an Uber. Fucking let it go. Fucking let it go.
Talk to Donnie.
Yes. Let's go talk to
No,
Danny.
Hey.
I'm not going to. I'm
Hey,
gonna
she's
go with all
asking you.
these-
Hey, she's
Yes, she
asking you if
does.
you want to ride home.
I don't want to ride home. I'm okay. I'm safe.
Okay.
For fuck's sake, I'm with them, guys.
Why don't you go with her?
No, I don't want to. No, I don't.
want you
I
to
don't
be
fucking.
safe.
I have never
Stop
met.
hating.
Oh, okay. Good.
I have never met you. I don't know you. I'm not safe with you.
Thank
They
you.
are safe police. They want you to be safe. Stop fighting them.
I'm not
She's
fighting them. I'm gonna be safe with
All right, we're
them.
going to go.
Damn, look
Can I
at all this
call
shit you're staring up over here. Is that Officer Sweet?
They just don't know how to do
That's
their job.
Wiederhold.
Which one?
Wiederhold.
Wiederhold?
He's the one that destroyed the umbrella.
What about this guy right here? What's your name?
Guy, what's up?
How
Giant?
come we had Brown on desk?
Can I get your
Alright.
name, badge number? Guy?
Huh?
How come we had Jenna Brown on desk duty this time? Did you get trouble? You guys just alternate desk. They were just conspiracy.
No, I mean, usually if you're on desk duty, you're like injured or something, or you got something else going on. I mean,
Under investigation.
And they're allowed to lie to you.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
I honestly don't know what's up.
So guess what?
Maybe if you did, I don't expect you to tell.
We're in downtown Denver. Hey guys,
What is the problem? Like, what are we recording?
We record.
They
We
wanna
record cops.
They want to record anything.
We record cops. That's what we do.
No, you
Cops are right here. We're recording the
No,
cops.
gentlemen, what are we recording?
Cops.
I just told you.
The cops.
We record cops.
Yes, they're cops. What are they doing that you guys don't
We're-
like?
You never
Nothing.
know.
Have you ever seen Cops or Live PD?
Yeah.
We're just
Right.
that.
That shit got canceled.
This guy's a Witterhold, are you a professional propagandist?
B12. B16.
Grab all your belongings, get home safe.
You guys are fucking retarded. What are you recording?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Police being police?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Police being bitches like always. That's what
Good
we
shit, they're
record.
bitches?
Yeah, little
Yeah.
bitches. The little
We're
bitches.
doing
You should give her
The
your
little
card.
fucking bitches. That's what they are.
We're not here to fight with you. We're just recording them. You can get out of here. Have a good night.
Oh, you're a fucking nasty ass bitch. I'm recording you too, you stupid whore.
What's wrong with you, lady?
Oh, what's wrong with you, lady?
Shit, go get another drink, lady. God damn. Fucking rude. Fucking rude ass girl and shit. Little girl needs daddy.
It's a rave now.
Go home to daddy, little girl. Fucking drunkard. Heroes, save me.
Go lick his boots.
She's mad because we won't let her bang him.
Can she lick your boots, sir?
Do something. Listen, I have a so I'm gonna go a nursing career. I would rather fucking hurt you guys.
So what?
You're right on your bike.
You guys are fucking bitches.
Why not?
No, put it on. Fucking on the news. You dumb bitch. Fucking do it. I fucking bet. Oh, I fucking hurt you guys.
So what?
You guys are fucking bitches. No, put it on. Fucking on the news.
What the fuck is wrong with you, you stupid ass bitch?
Fucking do it. I fucking bet.
Sold right there.
Hey,
You're on a lot of cameras right
you're
now.
gonna get charged.
Fuck out.
Right.
The police are right there. They're not going to be your best
They're
friend.
there.
You just assaulted my friend. You want to?
Right
You want to go to
there.
jail? Are you stupid, little girl?
I'm a stupid little girl.
Yeah, you are, dumb bitch.
She wanted to touch a real man. she wanted to know what a real man feels like.
Miss Lady.
Can I lick your boots really quick?
Hey guys, leave a thumbs up if you guys think that girl's a nice lady.
She wants to lick your boots, officer. Officer, she wants to lick your boots. Can she lick your boots, sir?
If I didn't have a nursing career, I would do something. Listen, I have a so I'm gonna go a nursing career. I would
So what?
rather fucking hurt you guys.
So what?
You're right on your bike.
You guys are fucking bitches.
Why not?
No, put it on. Fucking on the news.
What the fuck is wrong with you, you stupid ass bitch?
Fucking do it. I fucking bet. Oh, I
Sold right there.
She's trying to grab my fucking chorizo.
Fuck out.
Right.
The police are right there. They're not going to be your best friend.
They're
You just assaulted my friend. You want to?
They're right
You want to go
there.
to jail? Are you stupid, little girl?
She likes me. Hey guys, she wanted
You
it.
are a dumb bitch.
She wanted to touch a real man. she wanted to know what a real man feels like. Go home, little girl. You're drunk.
Fucking tripping. What the hell?
Fucking hell. I think she tried to grab my chorizo. She tried to grab El Sazich. You old drunk bitch. Fucking hell. Watch out for the fiery one, fellas.
He's on fire, guys.
Watch out.
Hey, you're gonna be famous.
I hope I will.
You're gonna be famous. Your nursing career, all your bosses are gonna see that. That wasn't smart. Have a good night. Think about that in the morning.
Damn, bro. I didn't plan on getting fucking assaulted.
Did she touch your camera or what happened?
She tried to grab it, but my grip is strong.
Kung Fu grip. Those cops.
Damn, she grabbed my chest and fucking. She was like,
She
"Come here,
breathed on your
you.
neck.
I turned around when I was at
Come here, you handsome bastard." She said. "Come here, you fucking short, handsome brown man." "Come here and take me now." "You can have me," she said.
I really think she wants her hair pulled.
Damn. Ooh. That's love, folks. That's love. I love it. You guys have a great night. I love love.
That guy said he was going to be your baby daddy, but he's not your baby daddy because we're together. So he can...
That's right. That's right.
This shit be crazy out here, folks. I just got assaulted and shit. Damn, guys. That shit was nuts.
I don't know, but he posted something. He posted something like about 7 minutes ago.
Some people are telling me to feed the poor, but I don't see no poor people out here. Everybody's
out
just
here
drunk.
2 days, you got more action I have in a year.
Fucking hell.
There's no poor out here.
There's no poor out here. It's Gilbert. Come on, guys.
Actually, that's not true. There is a guy that sleeps up over here.
No shit.
Yeah. There is one guy.
Man.
Kind of skate through. How you guys doing tonight? Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Watch out for the fire.
She's on fire, guys. You see that, guys? These cops, they dipped. They knew she was gonna act crazy.
Your nursing career, all your bosses are gonna see that. That wasn't smart. Have a good night. Think about that in the morning.
Damn, bro. I didn't plan on getting fucking assaulted.
Did she touch your camera or what
She
happened?
tried to grab it, but my grip was strong.
Kung Fu grip. Those cops
Damn,
dipped
she
right
grabbed
away.
my chest and fucking. She's like,
She breathed on your neck.
I turned around when I was at
"Come here, you handsome bastard." She said. "Come here, you fucking short, handsome brown man." "Come here and take me now." "You can have me."
Fucking shit.
She wants her hair pulled.
This is
That's love, folks. That's love.